A year ago March, as our pandemic project, my team and I launched the Dog Hugs video podcast live from the laundry lounge. And a cool thing happened. You loved the show! So we made more. In fact, way more. We made way more than 100 Dog Hugs shows. And another cool thing happened. Our friend joined the show. The Geralynn became Dog Hugs co-host. Hey, Geralynn!
Hi, Larry. Hi, Spider. Hi, everyone. Yes, Dog Hugs has become my pandemic project, too. We welcomed great guests.
And our guests introduced us to more guests.
Dog experts.
From all over the country and the world.
Celebrities in quarantine.
Visionaries.
Thought leaders and change makers.
Who love dogs.
Dog tricks.
Spider rolls his big ball everywhere.
Shelter shoutouts.
These folks are dog rescue stars.
Dog fun facts.
Always something new on the show.
Pet celebrations.
We honor our furry friends all year round.
And live drawings and giveaways.
Good job, buddy. Ready? Go get it. Good job. Attaboy. Number 5.
We answered your dog Petiquette question.
From potty training to biting and chewing.
But Larry and I were always apart. I'm in Kansas City.
And I'm in Los Angeles. So with some video magic, G-Dog and I can be together.
Move over, Larry. Here I come. It's like we're together.
Join the Dog Hugs Season 2 celebration.
Where every show is wrapped in gratitude.
We're grateful
for you. Join Larry K. and me, Geralynn for Dog Hugs Season 2, starting April 6th at noon Pacific Time on Facebook and YouTube at Positively Wolf.